Today Google Meet class 17, 17, 9, 20, Thursday 11:30 to 12:30. We are going to see the time from unit 5 ma. So the first we just recall this ma. So yesterday when you went to bed 9 o'clock, how can show this in the clock? So small hand in 9 and long hand in 12. So then second question, when will you get up in the morning 6 o'clock? The small hand in 6 and long hand in 12. When will you go to school? 8 o'clock. So in the clock, the small hand in 8, long hand in 12. So the page number 73 ma. Then they show the some time in clock. So we should write the time. So see the clock and write the time. So I look here, the small hand in 1, long hand in 5. So we write 1:25. Then the small hand in 10, long hand in 2. So the time is 10:10. The small hand in 3, long hand in 12. So the time is 3 o'clock. So now 11:40. How can you show in the clock? Small hand in 11, long hand in 8. 4:55. The small hand in 4, the long hand in 11. 1:40. The small hand in 1 and the long hand in 8. Then, so railway time. What is railway time? We are using 12 hours time generally. So in a clock we should see the 12 numbers in the clock. So to avoid confusion, we use railway time in railway station, television, airport, internet, etc. When we are going to railway station, we cannot see or hear announcement in AM or PM. AM means anti-meridian, PM means post-meridian. Because railway uses 24-hour time. Generally, railway time is written in 4 digits. The first 2 digits show the hours and the last 2 digits show the minutes. Okay ma. So in railway time, the midnight is shown in 00 hours or 24 hours. Noon 12 o'clock shows 12 hours and 9 AM is shows 9 hours. So only the changes in AM, they write the hours instead of A. Then PM can be written as 13 hours. How? So we should add 1 plus 12, we get 13. So just keep in mind mom, while converting the 12 hours time to 24 hours time during PM, we should add 12 to hours and keep the minutes same. Okay ma. Then coming to the next one, coming to the exercise ma. So now just to see the fillers before we enter the exercise. 1 day is equal to 24 hours. Then 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. Generally they are given ma'am. 4 hours equal to the 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. 4 hours equal to 240 minutes. 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. 8 minutes also 480 seconds. 1 week equal to 7 days. 5 weeks it means 35 days. It means 5 into 7. 1 year equal to 365 days. 1 year is equal to dash weeks, 52 weeks. The railway time shows 24 hours. In a leaf year, dash days, 366 days. A leaf year comes once in 4 years. So we must know these fill-ups. Then coming to the exercise, write down your school time timetable of the following. Morning school break time is equal to 11 o'clock. 11 o'clock. Morning ending time is equal to 3:20. Then morning school working time is equal to 9 o'clock. Afternoon school working time is equal to 1:15. Afternoon lunch break time is equal to 12:30. So given some matches ma. So இது வந்து perfect match பண்ணுங்க. So AM அப்படின்னு கொடுத்தாங்கன்னா no change. Hours மட்டும் மாற்றினா போதும். அப்போ 9:40 choose 9:40 hours. Similarly, when you just keep in mind, when you see them question in PM, so we should add 12 hours with them because so they are asking 24 hours, that's why we add 12 hours. So write the minutes as it is. So 3:20 becomes 15:20 hours. Then 6:25 PM, so PM is given. So while seeing the PM in your questions, we should add 12 to hours and write the minutes same. Okay ma'am. So 6:25 becomes 18:25 hours. So adding 12 with 6:25 minutes. So here PM is given, so we should add 12 hours to 11:40. We get 23:40 hours. So 6:25 is in AM, so it can be written as 6:25 hours only changes hours instead of am. So look here ma, I match it correctly. 9:40 am becomes 9:40 hours. 3:20 pm, so pm is given. While we see the pm in your sum, the while converting 12 hours to 24 hours time during pm, so when you see the pm in your sums, we should add 12 to hours and keep the minutes same. That's why I add 12 to 12 to hours. Upper 13 plus 12 we get 15, and minutes, write the minutes same. Okay ma, then 6:25, so pm is given, so we should add 12 hours to 6 hours, we get 18, write the minutes same. Then 11:40 pm is given, so we should write 12 hours with 11, so it becomes 23, write the minutes same. So here 6:25 am. Okay ma, so 6:20, write the 6:25 as it, only change in hours instead of am. Okay, are you understand? So coming to the next one ma, add. So add 4 hours 30 minutes plus 2 hours 50 minutes. We have to separate the hours and minutes. And then we have to add 4 hours 30 minutes and 2 hours 50 minutes. The answer will become 6 hours 80 minutes. 80 is converted as 1 hours 20 minutes. Write 20 minutes in minutes column, and we have to write the 1 in 6. The result is 7. The answer will become 7 hours 20 minutes. Coming to the next one ma, 4 hours 50 minutes plus 2 hours 30 minutes. So then we have to add 4 hours 50 minutes and 2 hours 30 minutes. We get 6 hours 80 minutes. 80 is converted as 1 hours 20 minutes. So 20 write in the minutes column, and we have to add 1. We have to add the 1 in the 6. We get 7. So the answer will become 7 hours 20 minutes. Then 3 hours 45 minutes plus 1 hour 35 minutes. So add 3 hours 45 minutes and 1 hour 35 minutes. We get 4 hours 80 minutes. 80 is converted as 1 hour 20 minutes. Write 20 minutes in the minutes column, and we have to add the 1 in 4. We get 5. So the answer is 5 hours 20 minutes. Then 1 hour 50 minutes and 3 hours 45 minutes. So we have to add 1 hour 50 minutes and 3 hours 40 minutes. We get 4 hours 95 minutes. The 95 is converted as 1 hour 35 minutes. The minutes can be written in the minutes column, and we have to write the 1 in 4. So the answer is, that is 5. So answer will becomes as 5 hours 35 minutes. So similarly the another examples, 2 hours 25 minutes, 4 hours 50 minutes. We have to add 2 hours 25 minutes and 4 hours 50 minutes. We get 6 hours 65 minutes. So 65 is converted as, 75 minutes. So 75 is converted as 1 hours 15 minutes. So write the 15 minutes in the minutes column, and we have to add the 1 in 6, that is 7. The answer will become 7 hours 15 minutes. Okay ma'am, now we are going to see the subtraction. 5 hours 10 minutes minus 2 hours 35 minutes. We have to subtract 2 hours 35 minutes from 5 hours 10 minutes. 35 cannot able to subtract 10. So we should borrow 1 hour from 5, that is 60. So now it becomes 60 plus 10, we get 70. So we have subtract 35 from 70, we get 35. So similarly subtract 2 from 4, we get 2. The answer is 2 hours 35 minutes. Then subtract 2 hours 40 minutes from 4 hours 20 minutes. 40 is cannot able to subtract 20. So we have to borrow 1 hour from 4, that is 60. So now it becomes 60 plus 20, 80. So now we subtract 40 from 80, we get 40. 2 subtract from 3, we get 1. The answer will becomes 1 hours 40 minutes. Coming to the next one, 1 hour 20 minutes subtract from 4 hours 25 minutes. So 20 subtract from 25, we get 5 minutes. 1 subtract from 3, 1 subtract from 4, we get 3. So the answer will becomes 3 hours 5 minutes. Coming to the next one, mom. 6 hours 55 minutes minus 2 hours 20 minutes. So 20 subtract from 55, we get 35. 2 subtract from 6, we get 4. So we get 4 hours 35 minutes. So now see, so 3 hours 55 minutes subtract from 5 hours 45 minutes. 55 is cannot able to subtract from 45. That's why we have to borrow 1 hours from 5, that is 60. Now it becomes 60 plus 45, 105. So we subtract 55 from 105, we get 50. Similarly, we subtract 3 from 4, we get 1. So the answer will becomes 1 hour 50 minutes. That's all ma. Today வந்து இந்த அடிஷன் சப்ராக்ஷனோட ஃபினிஷ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். நெக்ஸ்ட் கிளாஸில் வந்து வேர்ட் ப்ராப்ளம் பார்க்கலாம். தேங்க்யூ டு ஆல்.